we do here is go back.
Ladies and gentlemen, so this is the maiden tank of this Nitro 4-Tec, and it's very nice. I don't have to do anything with my phone, I can just leave it right there. Anyway, I got this Nitro 4-Tec right here, got a tank of fuel in there. I had an issue with this yellow wire not grounding, so when I was using this Easy Start, this glow plug wasn't thing, so I changed out the glow plug. You can see that gasket there, which I'll remember to get off that top there. And yeah, so this thing's ready to rip now, ready to go. So turn on our TQI remote. I'm going to turn this on here. I'm going to talk like normal. Look at the response on that. Okay, so I need help diagnosing this thing. It runs, and I think I got to turn the idle up a little bit. In the sense, I think I gotta adjust the idle to be up, because it just wants to die when it cuts out. But I don't want the wheels to be, I don't want the clutch to be engaging, and I don't want the wheels to be spinning. So it's like a very fine line. So if people have advice to show me how to find that line, let's just get her started up and I'll show you what I mean. So, should see both lights turn on, so all good. Just give it a little gas to help her out. That's giving it a bit of gas. So I was just giving it a bit of gas. You can see it just cuts out like that on me. I don't know what that means in nitro. Like, I don't know what adjustments to make other than raising up the idle, but I don't know if that's the air-fuel mixture not being right. I don't know enough about this. I just know I rebuilt the motor and the thing starts, and I'll give it a few revs for you here. See, it just dies out immediate. I'm giving it a bit of gas. Well, she died, and it wasn't because of not enough gas, but that was freaking cool, right? Like, that was pretty freaking sick. Ooh, that head's pretty well. I need a temp gun for it, because I don't know the temperature of this motor. And that would help me with tuning, because I know fuck all. But, there's probably people that are watching this video and like, hey, you just gotta adjust the high speed like that, give her a few tiny cranks like this, and adjust the low speed, and yada yada, and you'd be golden. It looks like it's running rich, though. You can see when I give it a little gas, you see the smoke coming out. I'll just try and run this tank through it, honestly. Just idle this tank all the way through her. Crap. I don't know why it keeps dying. Like, I don't know what to do. it just keeps cutting out. I want to run the tank through it all the way, but I also don't want to hurt this thing by trying to start it, and I know it keeps dying, so it's turning off for a reason. When I'm starting it, it's starting with a little bit of gas input, like I'm giving her a little bit of throttle. When I'm, like here, I'll show it. Bizarre. So yeah, I need tuning help, or I need to learn how to tune. Just, yeah, I'm not too good at it, but I'm a beginner, I'm a noob. It's okay to be not good at stuff when you're new at it. Listen to that though. I wonder if there's too much fuel and that's causing it to bog down. 'Cause it's not running too much. I just don't know where to add the fuel. I would assume low speed. I don't know if the idle's getting too low and then it's cutting off, or I don't know if there's too much fuel and that's causing it to die out. I just know this thing runs and I'm happy about that at least, but I would like to figure this out. I'd like someone to help me figure it out. And I don't have my tuning screw, I don't think. Anyway, just want to make a quick video. Probably not going to run this thing too much longer. Might play around with it. But I just really wanted to show this thing off. This thing's a freaking beast. So, it's running good. It needs a tune, but it sounds healthy. Like, the motor sounds healthy. So you got a good compression. Everything's working. The wand's working. So, that's cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this is starting my Nitro 4-Tec from my girlfriend for the first time. I just got it started and kind of idling. It still probably needs some tuning, but here we go. So turning on the electronics, turns left, right, throttle servo works, brakes work, easy starts nice and charged up. So here we go. Just gonna put this sucker in like this. Prime it a little bit. He runs like a top. Sounds good, eh?
It sounds really good.
I built that. She dies, but I built that.
For beginners. Not for beginners, but the
Not
beginner
for
attempted.
beginners, baby. Let's go, baby. She runs like a top.
This is your proof. If you are a beginner, you can do it. How would you say it's easy, or how would you recommend this to somebody who truly is a beginner like yourself?
What's that song? I'm a sucker for pain, or whatever it is.
I torture you.
Oh,
He's looking beautiful, running great.
Oh man, it's so good.
Stay tuned for more Nitro 4-Tec content.
Can't tell if it's spinning fuel at the side here.
Oops.
Doesn't look like it. It's spinning fuel out there. Oh, here, let's start it again. Why not? Why not?
Hit it for the 2 times.
It starts right off.
So the idle's a little bit low. Just a little bit low on her. But
Still time for some fine
fuck, that
tuning.
exhaust is hot. I have so much gas in there. Just don't wanna. Oh, she's so nice. She runs so good. Okay, last time.
This is a happy man. 3rd time's a charm.
You know what's cool too? See if you can get a video of the fuel going along the this line right here. This is the line that runs from the fuel tank. When there was air bubbles and stuff, I could see the fuel moving when I gave it gas, which
Let's
was
see
pretty
it.
cool. See, that idle's too low. Let me just actually adjust the screw right now. Give it a little more idle.
Here's a little adjustment
Just
tutorial you never asked
a little
for.
bit higher idle.
Okay, and we're looking in those tubes. What the heck?
Buddy, go! Ejectocito, cuz!
Tire off.
Stay on your toes, Puto!
What the heck?
Looks like my axle came disconnect though. Where the fuck did that bolt go? Good thing you were recording.
What in the heck? This is where we end the video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. As you can see, everything went as planned in this video.
Still working
Subscribe.
out the kinks, but
Like and
she's still
subscribe
solid.
At 3GGT.
Stay tuned for more content where axles stay attached. Thanks for watching.
Motor's already warm on this sucker. This is running a Nitro 4-Tec with the body on her.